Today we will know how to split screen in Windows 10. For this we have to open multiple windows as per our requirement. Just like I have opened web browser, OneNote and File Explorer. Now press and hold Windows key and press right arrow or left arrow 2 times. Now release the Windows key. With the help of arrow key, select the desired screen you want to place on the second half of the screen. Just like I have chosen the web browser as a secondary screen. Now press enter. This way you can successfully split your screen, as I am ready to work on Microsoft OneNote, and as well as the second half of my screen is with web browser. For watching more videos like this, please subscribe and don't forget to like this video and share this video.